Hey Alistair, it's Richard here. Great to see you yesterday at the conference. I thought it was a great event. I'm just sending you this video so you can set up your free account as we discussed yesterday. So the first thing to do is go on to alphaletz.com, and then on the top right hand side here you'll see a login and a start for free button. I don't think you've got an account set up with us yet. If you have, then that's fine, just log in. But if you haven't, click on this start for free button and you'll be directed to this page where it asks you to fill in your details and so on. Just fill that in, click on create account. You'll then get an email verification code. Okay. Once you've got that code, come back to the system, log back in, and what you will see is a screen that looks like this. It's an onboarding screen, and it will talk you through how to, what stages to go through basically to add in your properties. So you add a property. I've started this one, so yours will look a little bit different, but step one, add a property, add your tenants and so on. If you just want to look at the documents, all you need to do is add a property. Then when you go into the property screens here, you'll see that property. This is vacant because I've not added any details to it yet. And then when you click on the property itself, it'll take you to the property screen. And I haven't put much info in this because it's just a demo. This is what you'll see when you add your first property. And then at the top of the page here, this is where you can add your documents. Okay, so we've got the rent scheduler, tenancy agreements, and so on. Click on documents, add the document. So click on here, add in this example, I'll put a gas safety in. So I'm going to scroll down here, click on gas safety. And if it's got a renewal document, you'll see this is an optional field, but let's say your renewal has got a renewal of, November the 1st next year. Put in the renewal date there. And then you can also type in gas safety here, like that, and then save your document. Okay, so your document now is in the system. You can see that it was uploaded today. It's going to renew on the 1st of November. And you can download that document if you want a copy of it. Or if you want to just view the document, click on that little icon there, and that will open up the gas safety like that. If I was to add another one, let's just add another one. So I'll add a right to rent. I'll just put this in as other for now. And in this one, it won't have a renewal date because it's just a one-off. And I can put in right to rent. I don't need to put that in here, but I'll put it in for sake of completeness. And save document. So now you can see I've got two documents. One has got a renewal date on the 1st of November 2025, and one doesn't because that's just a one-off document. And again, I can click on here, and there's my right to rent document without me having to download it first to read it. One that has the reminder will go into the reminder tab here, so I can see that document in the reminders. And then if I go into my task menu on the left hand side, I can also see that document here. Okay, so I can see I've got that document is in my task menu, due on the 1st of November. And when I open it up, we set a default of 30 days beforehand. So 30 days before the 1st of November, that will show up on my dashboard to remind me that it's due. It's not due yet, which is why it's not on the dashboard. But if I was to change it, let me just show you what this would look like. If I click on this document and I change it to, let's say, 1st of November this year and 30 days beforehand, so that would now show up as a reminder. You can see now that since we're past the 1st of November, that's gone red, so it's highlighted because it's overdue. And you can now see that is now showing in my dashboard. So anything that's due or triggered by that renewal date shows up in the dashboard. When you set up your account, you'll have 14 days of open banking completely free. But what I've done is I've set up a free code for the NRLA so that you can extend that and use it for as long as you need to test it. To add your code, scroll down on the left-hand side to add units, or you can go from My Account on the top right under Subscription. You can always add more if you want to, like this.